Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ting. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and apologize because this week's video is a bit out of sorts. I was still getting used to life on the road, and filming wasn't really a priority, or I hadn't really figured it out how to do it while traveling. But I do have a couple of videos coming up that are a bit more organized. So I just want to say thank you, and thank you for your patience, and thank you for watching, and I hope you stick around. My very first truck stop shower. Very exciting. It's so clean. Holy shit. So apparently I get this room for 2 hours, which is a lot. Like, what am I gonna do for 2 hours in here? I mean, okay, let's get to work. I just had the best shower of my life. I was feeling pretty sad before, just because, I don't know, I felt dirty and homeless. I mean, I'm not, but I don't know. It was just, and I was tired. But after the shower, I feel like I can keep going with this road trip. It's only been, I think, 6 days in, and yeah, it's gonna be all right. I think I just need to find a shower here and there to keep my sanity. So I hope you guys take a good shower today and really appreciate it, because I really appreciated my shower. And Whiskey's just soundly asleep. Hey, bud. We had a big day. We went hiking and we went to the beach. It was a big day. Okay, I gotta rush to the seafood restaurant because they're closing in an hour, and it's gonna be my first seafood meal here in the Maritimes. I know, I've just been eating poutine and hiking meals. I don't know what I've been waiting for. All right, I'll see you guys later. So it's raining. My first time truck camping in the rain. Been up for maybe 45 minutes. Don't want to get out because it's raining. It would probably be easier if I was alone and didn't have Whiskey, because she would get really wet. And I'm not about to put a raincoat on her. So we're just chilling in bed. This is what she looks like currently. It's our view. That little tooth there.
Hi there.
Hi there. Just for one, please.
Okay, come on in there. She will be with you as soon as she can. Okay. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome. Just welcome. You're all set?
Yeah, can I get the Heinz breakfast, please?
Okay. have fries on the grill or deep fried?
Oh, I don't know.
I prefer deep fried myself.
All right, let's do that.
Okay, jam for the toast?
No, it's all right.
Okay.
Thank
you.
you. This is the biggest pancake I've ever seen in my life.
Enjoy your meal.
I felt guilty leaving her in the car to go get breakfast, so I brought her a little piece of butter bread. She usually loves butter and bread, but she's not eating it. That meal was huge. Luckily, I couldn't eat the pancakes. They were just like too soft. They're not the pancakes that I'm used to, and I just didn't like them, so I didn't eat it. I feel bad. Usually I hate eating breakfast out because I'm like, I can make eggs and toast, that's easy. But it's raining, you know, when it's raining, it's so lazy. Oh. Did you eat it? Finally. Oh. I think it's not crunchy enough. Gonna go poop at Cabela's, I think. My mornings is just hunting for bathrooms so I can poop. Once I poop, my morning poops, I'm good to go. But it's just like the hunting. I found a dog park nearby that I'm gonna bring Whiskey to. But it's raining, so we'll see how far we get there and stuff. Alright, see you guys later. Whiskey, come here. Go next to the bear. Are we allowed to go in here? Hi. Oh, fishies. Fishies. Hi. Let's go out from here. Let's go out from here. Ugh. Hi. She's very nice if you want to say hi. Where are you going? Still raining. Gonna rain all day. We just went shopping at Cabela's. Well, it's Bass Pro Shop here. I think they're the same. Luckily they let dogs in, so Whiskey and I got to walk around a little bit, get her some exercise and just different kind of stimulation, and I didn't have to be in the rain, so it's a bonus. Got to try on some clothes, but nothing really fit, and I shouldn't really be buying clothes anyways. I have so much clothes and no space in the truck. What else to do on a rainy day in Moncton? I did book a hotel for the night because it's raining all day and I kind of want to just be indoors, and I have some work to be done on the computer, so I can't really work in my truck. I thought I could, but I just end up falling asleep because I can't really sit upright. So I'm just like this, and then I just end up sleeping. So our check-in is only at 3, and that's in like a couple hours. So I think I'm gonna go do some groceries. I feel like I need to eat vegetables. I thought I would be cooking a lot more, but it's just like really exhausting to drive so much and cook at the same time. So I've been eating a lot of camping meals. So I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some groceries and maybe, you know, make a salad or just buy lots of fruits.